Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain exercise 14. Okay, see the first problem. 76 into 6 into 100. Okay, so you have to multiply first 76 6. Okay, now 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 7 are 42 plus 3 45. Into 100 means we have to keep two zeros. Okay, 76 into 6 first you have to multiply. After then you have to keep how many zeros? You have to write that number of zeros. Next one, 372 into 9. So 9 can express as 10 minus 1. Apply Ishvitula. 372 into 10 minus 372 into 1. See 3720 minus 37. Subtract it. 10 minus 2 8. 11 minus 7 4. 6 minus 3 3. Okay. 3348. See the third problem. The LCM of 15 and 50. LCM of 15 and 50. Okay. See, we have to do long division. 15 and 50. It will go in 5 table. 5 3s 5 tens. So LCM is equal to, so 5 into 3 into 10, that is equal to 150. LCM is 150. Next they are asking to find HCF. See the fourth problem. The HCF of 75 and 120. 75 and 120. Okay. See, 75 you have to select as divisor and 120 as dividends. 175 ones are 75. 10 minus 5 5. 11 minus 7 4. 35. Okay, now see 45 ones are 45. See 30. So 45 have to drop. 30 ones are 30. 15. See drop 30. How many times it will go? 15 to 30. See HCF is equal to how much? 15. HCF is equal to 15. Up to 0 you have to do the process. Okay, now see the fifth problem. See the fifth problem. 9 2 by 7 minus 8 1 by 7. 8 1 by 7. These are like fractions. Okay, you have to subtract both. 9 minus 8 1 and 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7. 2 here, these two are like fractions. Okay, now you have to subtract numerators 1 by 7. See the sixth one. How much should be subtracted from? How much should be subtracted from 8 3 by 5 to get 5 3 by 5. So how much you should subtract from this to get that one they are asking. Here these two proper parts are same. Observe here. So the whole part difference is 3. Okay, you have to do like this. Minus 5 3 by 5. 8 minus 5, 3 minus 3, 0 by 5, that is 0. 3 plus 0 3. You should subtract 3. You should subtract 3 from 8 3 by 5 to get 5 3 by 5. 5 3 by 5. Okay. Go for the next problem. Seventh problem. They are asking to write reciprocal. The reciprocal of 7 by 15. Okay. See, first we have to learn the meaning of reciprocal. So reciprocal means when two numbers, when you multiply two numbers, its product is 1. then each one is called reciprocal to each other. Understood? See, for example, you have to take 2 and 1 by 2. Example, 2 and 1 by 2. You have to multiply these to get product 1. So 2 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2. When you multiply two numbers, the resultant is 1, then each one is called reciprocal to another. Okay, see, suppose 3 by 5 is there. You have to multiply this with 5 by 3, 3 cancel, 5 cancel, that is 1. But here they are asking to find reciprocal of 7 by 15. See, you have to interchange numerator as denominator as numerator. So that is the reciprocal of 7 by 50. See that 8th problem. An office starts at 9:35 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. Okay, the office has dash hours of working hours. Okay, now with a break of 25 minutes for lunch. Okay, see, the office starts at 9:35 a.m. In morning time, the office starts at 9:35 a.m. Okay, and closes at 5 p.m. Okay, closes at 5 p.m. in the afternoon session, in the evening. Okay, see, and they given 25 minutes for lunch also. Here they are asking to find working hours of the office. First, how much duration you have to find here. Here already I explained one session, cross to the another session. You had to add PM to 12 o'clock. Okay, na? You cross the noon session, that's why you should add 17 hours. Okay, and it starts from 9 o'clock, 9:35 time. Okay, you have to subtract from this. See, you have to take borrow. This is 16 hours and it is 16 minutes. Okay, you took borrow hours 2 minutes, that's why you should write here 60. 60 minus 35 is 25. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. Okay, so the duration from 9:35 a.m. to 5 p.m. is 7 hours 25 minutes. But they given 25 minutes as lunch. You have to subtract, that is not working time, so you have to subtract. So this is 7 hours. So completely it works on 7 hours. The office works on 7 hours. Okay, now see, understood? It closed at 5 p.m. Here you cross session, that's why you should add 12 o'clock. And to get the time 17 hours, from that you have to subtract 9:35 a.m. Okay, so for that you get here 7 hours 25 minutes. But they given 25 minutes as lunch, you have to subtract 25 minutes also. So the total working time is 7 hours. Okay, go for the next problem. See, from school I walked 10 kilometers. Okay, I then walked 15 kilometers more in the same direction. more in the same direction. Same direction. Okay. How far am I? How far am I? How far am I from school? From school. Okay. Dash kilometers. Say from school he started walking and he walked 10 kilometers. I then walked 15 kilometers more in the same direction. See how much distance from school to me they are asking here. So how much it is now? 10 kilometer plus 15 kilometer in the same direction they walk. That's why you should add that is 25 kilometers away from the school. He is 25 kilometers away from the school. See the 10th one in the figure. In the figure they give an angle. Okay. The space occupied by two arms is called angle. What are OA and OB? Already you know this, you learned in 4th class. So OA and OB are called hands of an angle or arms of an angle. These are called arms. Okay, na? Arms of an angle. Here the given line segments rays they given. Okay, so rays. So here this is a ray. Ray means it has one direction and it has one initial point also. Okay, so OA and OB are rays. OA and OB are rays. Okay. See the next problem, next exercise 15. Exercise 15. They given write the number name in Indian system. Indian system the given number is the 9329561. They are asking to write the number in Indian system. For Indian system first period consisting 3 digits and remaining all are 2 digits. So write down the number name 9 crore, 32 lakhs, 32 lakhs, 32 lakhs, 95,000, 95,000, 95,000, 600, 641, 641. Okay, so see the second one. They are asking to find number name in the universal system. 6753241. See, in universal system each period consists 3 digits. 67,000, 67 million, 67 million. Okay, 532,000, 532,000, 532,000, 32,000, 401, 401, 401. That is the name in information system. Okay. See the third problem. The sum of the greatest 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number, and smallest 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number. Okay, na? See, greatest 5-digit number, greatest 4-digit number, you know it, you have to write greatest 4-digit number is equal to 9999. Smallest 5-digit number you have to write. Smallest 5-digit number is equal to 1 followed by 4 zeros. You have to add these two. 99991. That is the answer. Here they are asking to do the addition that greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, see the next problem. Fourth problem. Insert signs. Insert sign greater than, less than or equal. 6 4 5 2 6 2 1 3 6 4 5 6 2 1 3 2. Okay, now 6 4 5 6 4 zeros plus 2 1 3 2. You have to add these two now. 6 4 5 6 2 1 3 2. See, observe, these two are same. These two are same. Okay, na? And observe, this is 6 4 5 2. So it is smaller than this one. It is smaller than this one. You have to keep less than. Okay, go for the next problem. The number which is 2512 more than 4678. They are asking to find the number. That number is more than 2512 than that number. Okay, now you have to add those two. So to get more than that number, 4678 2512. So 10, 9, 11, okay, and 8. 8190 is the 2512 more than 4678. Okay, now see the sixth problem. Write in words. They given decimal number and they are asking to write in number 35.02. See, this is 35.02 or else you have to write 35 200x 200x. 2 is in 100th place, that is 200x. Or else 33,500 200x. Okay, na? 35 200x. Or else you have to write 35,000 3,500 200x. 3,500 200x. 500 200x. As you wish, now 200 200x. 100x. Okay, see the seventh problem. 75 into 99. We have to use distributive law here. 75 into 99 written as 100 minus 9. 75 into 100 minus 75 into 1. 7500 minus 75. So that is 5. 9 minus 7 2. You took borrow, it is 4 7. 7 4 2 5. Next they are asking to write prime factors in index form. See eighth problem. The prime factors of 72 in index form. Okay, no? Index form. You have to write in index form. Okay, see 72. You have to use only prime factors plus long division. 2 36 are 72. 2 18s, 2 9s, 3 3s, 3 1s. Okay, see, write down 72 equal how many 2's we are getting here? 3. And how many 3's? 2. That is 2 cube into 3 square. And next ninth one. Write as decimal fraction. Okay, na? They are asking to write as decimal fraction. They given here 3 by 10 plus 4 by 1000 plus 7 by 100. First you have to write in order 3 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Okay, here no whole part is there. All are proper parts. You have to keep point. And tens place is 3, 7th, 100th place is 7, 1000th place is 4. That is 0. In the absence of whole part, you have to keep 0. So 0.374. And go for the last problem in this today's class. See the 10th one. 1 by 4 half an hour is equal to dash minutes they are asking. Okay. See 1 by 4 into hour, 1 hour. They are asking to find in minutes. 1 hour is 16 minutes. You have to convert into minutes. So how many times it goes? 15. So 15 minutes. Okay. So today's class completed. I will send notes. I hope everybody will follow the notes and everybody did homework.